Last home game of the season today. Is that a difficult result to take?
Yeah, very difficult. We didn't obviously come to win the game, and felt that we were in control for the majority of the game. And we were the only team looking to win it. So yeah, I was disappointed to get a draw.
Are you disappointed with the goal that we conceded?
Absolutely. When you're in control so much, and we are trying to score another one, because that's the way we play. But to concede like that, we spoke at half time that they're only going to get one moment, and they plan for one moment in the game. They don't come to win it, but they planned for a moment and they took it. So that's what we have to deal with, unfortunately.
It was quite a similar streak to Tuesday, where we were struggling to find that cutting edge in the final third. Yeah,
the group, as a group, you have to deal with teams coming here and sitting in. And like I say, if it's moments that they plan for, and moments that they want in the game. So we have to make sure we manage those moments for them, but also we have to make sure that we move the ball a little bit quicker. Particularly today, I felt that we didn't move it enough, and the quality wasn't there. That final pass at times just wasn't there today. You can make the excuse that it's the third game in a week, but other teams have had 3 games in a week, and at this stage of the season, we need to get over the line, and unfortunately, didn't manage to do it.
We just spoke then, like, we've only lost once. No, we haven't lost at home this season, so that's a good run to go on with your home.
Yeah, no, absolutely. We've had 3 draws though. The draws sort of kill you too. The home form is very, very good. Or to win as many games as we have and score as many goals as we have is very, very good. But we're still second, and we tried to install into them about managing the moments towards the end of the season. We set targets at the start of the season, like I've said all year, and it's just a question of picking everyone up and going for Jesus on Saturday.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.